Good afternoon, guys. How you doing? I've been talking to a few of you in the comments about some people that have had questions or other issues going on with their Midea unit. I've been kind of working on this one for about 2 weeks now. It was running fine one night. The next morning it wasn't running at all. I had a tech come out here to check it out. We were thinking it was the board. It's giving me P as in Paul, 4 is the error code. So we were thinking it might be the board. As I mentioned to you guys in the comments, a few of you guys trying to get parts like me. Some of them are 2 to 3 months out for the boards. I want to say the IPC board, about $250. It's about 2 months out. And the other one, the inverter board, I believe is almost $300, and it's maybe even 3 to 4 months out. One of the things that we found out with this unit that was maybe a root of the cause was this fan blade that I've already replaced. It didn't fix the issue, but the fan blade was definitely broken. You can see here where that went together, and when we looked at it, of course the fan was broke, so put a new fan in it. It's still not starting up. I mean, the fan will spin a little bit when the unit first kicks on, so we're thinking the fan motor might have gone bad too. I'm gonna order me one in today, probably 2 to 3 more weeks out waiting on a fan motor. Another suggestion to you guys, when you look up the instructions on Midea's website on how to troubleshoot some of the boards, this, if you haven't watched some of the other videos, this is an MCH2U-18PHH2 is the model number of the compressor. And some of the instructions from Midea on how to diagnose the board, specifically with this model right here, their instructions do not match whatsoever. This unit has 3 wires only going from the control board to the fan. All the instructions that I had found on how to diagnose it had either 4 wire or 6 wire. So, I mean, you're just kind of guessing. I mean, even the pins, some of the voltages weren't even matching what the troubleshooting sheets were saying. So we were just kind of winging it on our own, trying to trace everything back. So yeah, that's where I'm at with this P4 error code. This unit's only about 2.5 years old. So yeah, this is an update. I hadn't done one in a year. This is an update. It's still broke, and I'll make another video when I get the fan motor in. Thanks guys. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Have a good day.